Hi friends, welcome to Rama Science World. My dear friends, my dear students, today I would like to explain about 10th class mathematics trigonometry. Today I continue exercise number 8.2. So let's we start our discussion. First I write evaluate the following. This is the question. Evaluate the following. See, he mentioned like that. First question, sine 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees. So my dear students, see, sine 60 means root 3 by 2, cos 30 means 1 by 2. Sorry, cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. Cos 60 means 1 by 2. So what is the value? Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. So 1 by 4. Like 4 by 4. What is the answer? Completely 1. So sin 60. Next one. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degrees. See, 2 into tan square 45, 1 square, cos 30 square means cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 square means root 3 by 2 whole square. We cancel these two terms. Same values. That's why answer is 2. This is the answer. So let's say continue. It's another question. Third question. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Now cos 45 means what? Cos 45 value 1 by root 2 by secant 30. Secant 30 means 1 by cos. 1 by cos means 2 by root 3. See, cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 means 1 by sin 30. 1 by sin 30 means 2. So, cos 45, 1 by root 2. See, 1 by root 2. See, 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So, what is the answer? Root 3 by root 2 into 2 plus root 3. So this is the answer. Next question. Fourth question. Sin 30 plus tan 45 degrees cosecant 60 degrees by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degrees. So my dear students, sin 30 means 1 by 2, tan 45 means 1, cosecant 60 means 2 by root 3 by secant 30. Secant 30 means 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. So here cos 60. Cos 60 means 1 by 2 plus cot 45. Cot 45 means 1. So both here only one thing only changing. So okay. Now my dear students, here 1. So what is the answer? Root 3 here. Okay, plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2 by root 3. Okay, later 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 into root 3. So my dear, here 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. Here root 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 by, we cancel this term, root 3, here 1 root 3 plus, that's why 3 root 3 plus 4. So this is the answer for that question. Next one, next fifth question. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. My dear students, please listen. 5 into cos 60 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square. Root 3 by 2 square means 3 by 4. Plus, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 by 4. So secant 30. 4 into secant square. Secant 30 means root 3 by 2. So secant 2 by root 3. That's why 4 by root 3 means 3. Minus tan 45. 1. 1 square means 1. Here sin 30, sin square, sin 1 by 4 plus cos square 30, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means 3 by 4. So this is the answer. Secant square 30. Now LCM what? 5 no, LCM 12. 15. So 16 here, another 4 is required. So see 16, 64, 4 is 64 minus 12 by 12, 4 by 4, cancel this term. So answer 2, 5. Okay, this is the answer. 2. Okay. 67 by 12. Thank you very much.